नमस्कार दोस्तों। So friends, have you ever wondered what lies beyond the stars? When we talk about universe, galaxies and everything within, we are exploring the greatest mysteries ever studied. Today let's uncover what galaxies are and scale of the universe and some mind-blowing facts discovered by science. So a first is, what is galaxy? So a galaxy is a massive collection of stars, planets, gas and dust, all bound together by gravity. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, contains over 100 billion stars and spans about a billion light years. Did you know Milky Way is not alone? It is part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group, which also includes our neighboring Andromeda galaxy. So Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way. In about 4.5 billion years, these two galaxies will merge to form a new galaxy, which scientists have nicknamed Milkomeda. Imagine what the night sky will look like then. Now let's talk about universe. The universe is everything. Every galaxy, star, planet and even the empty space between them. Scientists estimate the observable universe is about 93 billion light years in diameter. Did you know the universe is constantly expanding? In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from us, proving that the universe is growing larger over time. This discovery changed how we understand the cosmos forever. This expansion began 13.8 billion years ago with an event called Big Bang, the moment when time, space and energy were created. Here is an incredible fact. Most galaxies have a supermassive black hole at their center. For example, the Milky Way's black hole, named Sagittarius A, is 4 million times more massive than the Sun. Galaxies can change over time. Collisions between galaxies are common, and when they merge, their shapes can transform. Spiral galaxies like the Milky Way may become elliptical or irregular. Quasars are among the brightest objects in the universe, powered by supermassive black holes. They shine so brightly that they can outshine their entire galaxy. In 1995, the Hubble Space Telescope pointed at a seemingly empty patch of sky for 10 days. The resulting image, called the Hubble Deep Field, revealed thousands of galaxies in an area no bigger than a grain of sand held at arm's length. This showed us how vast and crowded the universe truly is. Despite its unimaginable size, the universe is interconnected. Our planet Earth orbits the Sun, which is the part of Milky Way. The Milky Way in turn is just one of trillions of galaxies. Galaxies, black holes and universe itself continue to fascinate us. With every discovery, we unlock more questions. So as we continue to explore, one thing is certain: the universe has endless stories to